Hey, 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 what are today's messages? Let's pick this box today. Just so you know, all my pants are sassy. Your smile is your logo, your personality is your business card, and the way you make people feel is your trademark. And here I am, free, no one complaining, making fun of or insulting the things that I do, just me and my happiness. Life is better with someone who brings you clarity, not confusion. Life is better with someone you can escape to, not someone you need an escape from. We all need to chill. I won't go first, but just something I've noticed. Learn to love yourself with all your faults and failings, and be gentle with yourself as you seek growth. The bad news is time flies. The good news is you're the pilot. No matter what people think of you, always keep singing your own song. Absolutely. Life is better with someone who wants to hear your point of view, even if they don't agree. One day I will start behaving myself, but not today, and tomorrow is not looking good either. A healthy mind does not speak ill of others. Sometimes the best plan you can have is to be open to new ones. Absolutely. You should tell people how important they are to you always. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. Life is better with someone who isn't afraid to express how much they care about you. You hold the key to unlocking your own magic. Chess Rose. And the last one today. Not all of us were made to cook. Some of us were made to have conversations with the person cooking. What do you think? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.